Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crockery and Cutlery Tales. Finally, after 2.5 months of painstaking efforts, I reached 400 subscribers and I am very thankful to you all for that. Today I am going to display how to make crispy shrimp boats. They will not only serve as delectable appetizers but also will enliven your mood after a boring day. I have tried to experiment with the shape of the fries, so not all of them look alike. Now let us start with the preparation of the shrimp paste. Here I have taken around 200 grams of prawns. We need to make a paste of the prawns in order to make this fries. First I am adding salt, black pepper powder, onion, garlic and ginger paste. Now goes the chili paste. I have chopped the carrots as well as the capsicums into very small pieces. You can add other vegetables of your choice. Now adding white vinegar into the mixture. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. The final ingredient is the egg. Half of the egg I am using here and the rest I will use to make the dough. Now mix well all the ingredients which have been put into this mixture. Now I will set this aside and go on to make the dough. For the dough, I am taking 250 grams of all-purpose flour. Add salt to it. Now white oil. Now add rest of the egg. Now mix all the ingredients well with the flour. Add water according to your requirement. Knead the flour into a soft dough. The kneading is now complete. We will use this for the outer covering. I am dividing the dough into 3 parts from where I will make further subdivisions. Take a small portion of the dough, sprinkle some flour on it and roll it into a round shape. It shouldn't be very thin nor very thick. Stretch the ends of the roti. Now cut the sides to form a rectangular shape. The wrap is ready. Now we will put a very little quantity of the shrimp mixture into it. Follow the process of folding. You will have to seal the ends well. Now dig a hole in the middle and crisscross the two ends over each other. Adjust the shape to make it look like a boat. Repeating the process again, now I have made a square shaped wrap. Again, seal the sides of the wrap. Insert your finger in the middle and crisscross the two ends over each other. The boat shape is ready. Now they all are ready to get fried. Heat the oil properly and carefully place all the boats in the oil. You can use more oil for frying them deeply. Flip it after one side is fried properly. Fry properly to make them crispy. After they turn golden in color, you will understand that they are ready to serve. The outer layer is crispy and the filling is extremely delicious. This will surely make you crave for more. Subscribe, like, comment and share the video.